Hello everyone, welcome to the new tutorial series, and this is a job portal website. This job hunt is job portal website where a company can post a job buying a package. So in order to post a job, a company must have to buy a package and then only he can post a job. A company can easily buy package using PayPal and Stripe payment method, and after purchasing the package he will get the options to log in into this website and he can post a job. And the candidates who will apply for the job, they can also create account in this website and can easily apply to a job, and the admin can control the everything of this website. I hope you will love the total tutorial series. I have tried to show each and every details of the application. So this is the website front end. You see that this is a website. In the front end there is a search box where you can search by job title, job category, job location, etc. And all those information are fully dynamic. That means admin can easily insert those from the backend. Also these locations can be inserted by admin from the backend. And after that there are job categories. You see that all the job categories here showing, total 9 job categories of all among the all items are showing here. If you click to see on all categories, then it will take you to the job categories page, and here you will see all the available categories. Now after this section you will see that there is a voice choose option. All these options can be easily controlled by the admin panel, and here are featured jobs. So the jobs which are featured by the company will be shown only here, and if you click to see all the jobs, it will take you to the job listing page. After that there is a client testimonial section, and you will see that all the client testimonial with their photos and the company names and the comments, it will come here. After this there is a blog post, and this is the blog post. Among all the blog post, only the last items will be shown here. Total 3 items will be available here. In the footer there are some important links, and also a newsletter sign up option is given here. This is an Ajax form, so you can easily click here, and in this way, using the Ajax method, the subscriber will work. So this is in short the main page or home page of this application. After the home page there is a find job section. If you click here, you will see that all the jobs are showing here as a listing, and here you see in the left side there are more filters. That means you can filter here by job title. That means you can search in this section by job title, job category, job location, job type, okay, also job experience and job gender, job salary range, and all this information the admin can control from the backend. And there is also an advertisement section in the left side of the job listing page, and admin can easily control it. If I go to the admin panel, you will see that the admin can easily control it. In the admin panel there is a job section, and under job section you see admin can control this. That means all the job categories admin can create, edit or delete. Also there is job location section, and in the location section admin can control all the job locations. There is a job type section. All the job types admin can control from here, and all those from that information from that place will be showing here. Also admin can control here job gender. Here you see that job gender admin can add as many gender as he wants. There is job experience section. Admin can add the job experience from this section. Also job salary range, admin can insert and delete or edit every data from here, and all those will be showing here. So here, if for example if I want to see the jobs only for example for the location USA, and then I click on filter, you will see that there is a parameter coming in the top side URL, and only the jobs that are under the USA it is showing. If I change the location, for example Australia, and click on filter, you will see that only the jobs that are available in this location Australia it is showing. If you want to use the multi filter, that means if you want to show the jobs in Australia and the accounting, which is under the accounting. You see that here Australia jobs, this is data entry, and these two are accounting. So if I click if I now click here on the filter, then you will see that only the accounting jobs coming here. If I go to select the data entry, if I click on filter, then you will see that only one job is available here. If I give other item, for example garments, as there is no job, it will show that no result is found. So in this way, using the find jobs, you can show all the job listings. So, and if you click to hit of any job title, then it will take you to the job detail page. This is actually the job detail page, and there is job description, job responsibilities. In the right side, you will see that job summary here, when the job was published, what is the job deadline, job vacancy, category, location, type, etc. showing. Here is the inquiry form. So if a person wants to ask something into the job poster, that means who posted this job, if they want to inquiry for any subject, they can easily send email to them. And in the left side, there are also skills, abilities, education, qualifications, benefits, etc. so they can apply here. And in the related job section, you will see that this is the related job section, this one and this one. That means you are now in the job category, for example marketing, or if you go to the bottom, you will see that more marketing jobs will show here. So in this way, job details section will work. If a person wants, he can easily bookmark this job. But in order to apply or bookmark, a person must have to be logged in. That means a candidate must have to log in this system. So if you click on the apply now, it will take you to the login page. So you must have to log in first. So this is the job details section, and also you see the location map in the right side. So this is the job section. I am going to show you the companies. You will see that like the job listing, here is the company listing. That means you can easily search by company name, you can easily search by company industry. For example, I am going to show only the software companies. So if you click on filter, you will see that only one software company is here. If you want to click on IT company, if you click on filter, you will see that only one IT company is here. So in this way, you can easily filter from this, and the admin can also enter all the information here. For example, company section, company location, admin can easily add the company locations here, and that will be only shown here. Also, admin can add from the backend the company industry. The available company industry are here, you see, and those will be shown here, and using this the user can filter. Also, there is company size, and the admin can control it from the backend in this section, company size. So I hope you have understood this section. If I want to show or to see all the jobs under a company, just I will click here, and if I click here, you will see that the company detail will be showing here. The company overview, the company website, company information will be shown here. About the company, also the company opening hours will be shown here, and all the opening positions by this company will be shown here. That means all the jobs they added will be shown in this section. And contact company means if a person want to contact them, they can easily send an email using this form. There is a pricing section. If you go here, you will see that there are some packages. So in order to post a job, a company must have to sign up. So after sign up, a company must have to choose a pricing. That means he must have to buy a package. If a company do not buy a package, he will not be able to post any job. So in order to buy a package, a company must have to purchase a package first. So he can choose this plan, or this plan. Okay, so in this plan only 2 jobs post he can do, and no featured job. That means he will not be able to feature any job. And in this section, no company photos. That means he will not be able to add any photos. He will not be able to add any company videos. And a standard section, there are limitations. For only 4 jobs he can add here, only 2 featured jobs he can make them, only 2 company photos he can add. And in this package he can easily do that unlimited job post allowed. He can post as many jobs as he want under this package, and this is total 3 months package. This is 1 month this way. So in this way he can choose any package from the pricing section. And after that, there is a FAQ section. So this is simple FAQ, and admin can control the FAQ from the backend. and this is very easy. And this is blog. This is the blog section. All the blog posts are here. Also there is a pagination system here. After showing some information, it will go to take it to another page. And if I go to see the details of a post, you will see that this is actually a job post. This is the detail, the job post, this is the photo, and this is the date. How many persons are going to show this job post, that will be also shown here. If I refresh it, you will see that it is incrementing by 2. If I again refreshing it, you will see that this is incrementing by 3. That means total view will be shown here, and only the job post detail will be showing here. This is very simple, as I am not going, as I was not going to be focused on the job post here, because this application is mainly on the job application or job portal, so I did not focus on the blog. Just simply a blog I have added here. Then after that, there is a contact page. A person can contact to the website owner using this form, and a contact map is showing here. So this is okay. So in short, this is the front end, and in the bottom there is a terms of use page, and this can be controlled by the backend, and there is a privacy policy. Also admin can change the favicon icon here, that is showing here. Also the logo here. Also the top bar phone, admin can change it. And in the footer, admin can change this contact information here, here, and also the social media icons. He can change the URL. He can also change the this information, that is copyright information in the bottom. Now if a person want to go to the sign up in this system, so there will be an option in front of him, because he can create an account in this website as candidate or as company. If he is a candidate, then he can give his name, username, email address, password, and repeated password. If he is a company, he will have to give the company name and contact person name. That means who is going to create account for this company, he will put his name here, username, email address, and password. There is another thing, that is login. If a person already have an account, then he can log in, and so the same system here. If he wants to log in as candidate, he will select this, then give his username, password. If he wants to log in as company, he will select this one and then give his username and password. If a company forget his password, he will select company first and click on forget password. Then he can send a request to reset the password. If he is a candidate and forget password, then he will select this, and then he will go here, and he will be taken to the candidate forget password page. Now I am going to show you the company login. So for example, a company first login here, so he will give his username. For example, the sample username is this and password is this. He is going to click on here, and you will see that the company dashboard is here. In the company dashboard, he will be able to see how many jobs he posted and how many featured jobs he added. And in the bottom, the recent jobs that he added will be shown in short. And here is a make payment. If a company has any current plan, then he will be able to see it. And if he is a new user, he will not see anything here. But as he already purchased a plan, so this is his plan, and this is the amount and plan name. And he can easily select here which package he want to purchase, and then click here. Then he will be taken to the PayPal page. So he can easily pay with the PayPal. So he is going to take in the PayPal page. If he want to pay with the Stripe, he will just select a package and click on pay with a Stripe. Then he will be taken to the Stripe checkout page. So going to here, he can easily give his card information and pay. So this is very easy, and I have implemented this system very easily, so you can easily understand the system of PayPal and Stripe, how you can create the sandbox in PayPal, in the Stripe. Everything I have described in detail. And also there is the order section. You will see that all the orders that he purchased, there are sample orders, because in order to work with this application, I made some sample orders also. So all the orders will be showing here, but this order is active now, so only one order will be active each time. So I used that method or that algorithm here, that only one orders can be activated. There is a create job option. The company can easily create job from here. So here he will be able to give the title, then description, job responsibilities, education, vacancy, etc. He will be able to give here. Job category, location, type, experience, everything he can set here. because in the front end you saw that I searched the job by the job type or experience or location. So here that will be selected by the company authority, that this job will go under which location, which category, which type, this way. Location map is actually not mandatory, he can give it or not. And if he want, a person can select this job as featured, and if he wants, he can also make this as urgent. So this is in short the create job section. There is all job section also here. All the posted job he will be able to see here, and he will be able to manage it. If you click on edit any job, so he will be able to edit this job easily. Okay, so this is the create all job sections. And then there is photos section. In the photos, the company can add photos from here. He will just select the photo, submit, that will be in this list. He can easily remove any photo from here if he wants. Then there is a video section. This is the video. So YouTube video ID, he will give here the YouTube video ID, and then click on submit, and then that video will come here. The thumbnail is showing here. This will come automatically from the video. I did code like that way. There is a candidate application section, and in the application section, which candidate applied for this job. So this will be actually candidate application. So if you want, you can see the applicant list here, but in this job there is actually no applicant, so he's not going to see anything. Job detail, if you click here, he will be taken to the front end job detail page. Okay, and if a job is featured, that will be marked this. If it is not featured, that will be marked as this. The company can easily edit profile using this section. The company can upload the logo, the company name, contact person name, username, etc. They can change. And there is the edit password option. A company can edit that password from here. So candidate application section, I am going to show. I am going to log in as another company that have the candidates. So William 1 2 3 4, for example, and I am going to show the candidates by this company. This company has 2 jobs they posted, and here I am going to see the applicant list. You will see that total 2 person applied in this job. Okay, this person and this person. Now what the company can do, the company can easily apply, easily approve this job. If a company approve this job, this will be marked as approved, and an email will be sent to the employee that they have applied. An email will be sent to the candidate that his application has been approved. Okay, and another one is rejected. This will not send an email, but his application will be rejected if the company select this. And this is the CV. CV means when the candidate will apply, then a form will come in front of him, and there he will write the cover letter for this job. So this can be viewed from this section. Now this is the job, this is the detail. Now if the company wants to see every detail about this candidate, he will just click here, then it will come in the new tab, and he will be able to see every data about the candidate. That means the candidate name, designation, email, phone, etc. basic information. He will be able to see all the education of this candidate. He will be able to see, and also he will be able to see all the skills he have. He will be able to see all the job experiences. He will be able to see the hours the candidate own, and he will be able to see all the resumes. Resume means if the candidate wants, he can upload his CV or any experience certificate, any types of files, multi-files the candidate will be able to upload, and the company will be able all the files from here about this person. So this is in short about the candidate dashboard, company dashboard. Now I am going to log in as candidate. So for example, Peter 1 2 3 4, this is a sample candidate in this system. And here you see that this is the candidate dashboard. How many jobs he applied, it will be shown here. The approved jobs will be shown here, and also the rejected jobs will be shown here. The applied jobs, where he applied, if you click here, he will be able to see that in this job he applied. So he can also see his CV, what he wrote to the company authority. He will be able to see from here. Okay, and also the detail he will be able to see. If you click here, the job detail will be shown in front of him, so he can easily see this. All the bookmark jobs, the jobs he bookmarked or added into the wish list, those will be shown here. He can easily remove this, or he can see detail of that job from here. The education section is completely dynamic here, so each applicant or each candidate can add his education from here. He can add the education item, he can edit the education item, etc. He can delete any item from here. So like the education, he can also add the skills from this section. Add skill, edit skill, delete skill, he can do anything he wants. So similar thing will be in the job experience. He can add, the candidate can add as many job experience as he want from this section. There is a awards section. From here the candidate can add the awards, and there is the resume upload section. From here he can easily upload resumes, and he can add as many items as he want as the PDF or doc format. Then edit profile section is for the candidate. He can easily see the edit profile, all the things from here. He can edit, upload his photo, change his photo. He can change all the information about himself here. There is also the edit password option for the candidate, and he can change his password from here. So this is in short about the company and candidate dashboard, and I hope you have understood very well. In the admin panel, if you go to see the admin, here a lot of things are in the admin panel. If you go to the settings, you will see that the admin can change the logo, change the favicon, top bar, phone, all the information, footer information here. The page settings has a good number of settings. That means in the home page, if a person if admin want, he can hide any option. If he wants, he will not show the why choose option. He can do it from here. So I made this section fully dynamic. And also here you see that the search option, he can edit this text, he can edit this text, he can edit the button text, he can edit the job title name that is showing here, he can edit anything from here. So this is here, you will see the change the background. He can also change the background photo also. This is he can do from here. And there is job category section. You see that after the search there is a job category section. He can completely hide this section. There is a hidden. If you make this hide and then update, those that section will be hidden from the front end. He can change the heading, subheading. That means he can change this on from the back end. Okay. So all other items in the home page he can change, and you will easily see everything he can change from here. And there is a FAQ page. That means when if you go to the FAQ page, you will see that there is a heading. This is actually the heading. The user can change the heading from here. The admin can change the heading from here. And the SEO section means if you go to inspect element for this page, you will see that there is a meta description field that is important for SEO, and the meta title or only the title tag. So this can be changed in the admin backend. Okay, this is the title and this is the meta description. So for all the pages I did this, and this is very user friendly, SEO friendly. If you go to the blog page, you can do the same thing. So for all other pages, if I go to the others page, you will see that for the login page, these sections are given: sign up page, forget password page, job listing page, company listing page, those are given. In the job section, there I already have described it. I am not going to show it. In the subscriber section, when the people are going to be subscribed in this system, those lists will be here. And if admin want, he can easily send email to all the subscribers. Admin can just give the subject and message and send email. Then email will be sent to all the subscribers who are active in this system. The company profile is here. That means admin can easily see any company from here. Admin will see all the companies here who open the account here. So admin can delete the company from here if he wants. Also there are details. Admin can see the detail about this. So here you see that the company details will be showing in this page. So the company photos, videos, maps, etc. information for this company will be shown here. If we go to the job section, the admin will be able to see all the jobs for this particular company, right? So if I go to another company, for example Strategy 1, I am going to the job section, the admin will be able to see all the posted jobs by this organization. Now if he wants to see the job detail, it will take to the front end job detail, and the applicant list admin will be able to see. He can just go here and admin will see that these 2 persons applied for this job, and the detail is candidate detail. Admin can also see the candidate detail. So all this information have been shown here. And also there is a CV. Admin can also see the CV that was posted by the candidate when they applied for this job. There is a candidate profile section also. That means all the candidates will be showing here, and admin can delete any person from here. And if we click on the detail, the candidate detail will be showing here, all the candidate detail. And if admin want to see the applied jobs by this particular person, if we click here, admin will be able to see that this person applied to these jobs. So admin can also see the CV from here. And detail means the job detail. It will take him to the job detail page of the front end. So there are other sections in the home page, that was why choose sections, that can be controlled by admin here. The testimonial sections in the front end, admin can control that section from here. Admin can also control the post section, FAQ section, the package. Admin can create as many packages as he wants from here. So each package has the detail, how many items he will be able to add here, up to which time, how many days it will be shown, the total allowed jobs, total allowed photos, videos, etc. Admin can control in the package from this section. And the last one is advertisement, because if you go to the front end, you will see that in the company space there is advertisement in the left side, this one, and in the find job space there is the advertisement in the left side. So admin can easily control the ads from this section. Also he can post a URL in that ad, or if he wants he can just ignore that. And in the dashboard there is a short summary about everything. I did not actually show a lot of things here, just to give the idea. I have just added to show how many companies are here, how many candidates are here in this system, and how many jobs are posted in this system. And if admin wants to change his profile from the top bar, you will see that there is edit profile option, and admin can edit his profile from here. So thank you for watching this long video. Best of luck.